Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post updates like this, you will be the first one to know about it. So real quick, this one is another sweet update. You know I always bring legit updates. This one is pain and people are really catching up from it. So this is just like your, let me just say, like your Facebook or this, you watch video, everything is just there, you post. Yes, this one, how you can earn on this app is by posting video call. When you do video call with somebody, don't be the one to call, allow them to call you. If anybody is chatting you, tell the person, please can we talk on video call, or please can we talk on the call. She'll get me, then they call you from the app. When they are calling you, they are debiting them and they are crediting you. That's how it is. It's a very simple logic. And secondly, the second way you can earn is by sending private snap. Maybe someone is chatting, say your picture, you set it private, let the person use his coin to unlock it, then they will not pay you. So this is just the dashboard about the app. This is the dashboard. You can see everything here. You can see all feed, you can see my feed. This is where I posted my video. I just joined yesterday. Then you see this discovering part. You can see different people here. People are already in this app. You can switch it. Maybe you don't want Nigeria, you want to switch it to all. It's for all countries. So you can look for your own country here. You can see different countries here. Look for your own and click on it. Let me switch it to US now. You see, I'll start seeing US people. You can see it's for everybody. You can switch it. Mexico, you see different people will be coming out. So you cannot tell me you will not earn on this app. You will earn. If you are somebody that like all this live streaming updates or all this thing, you are looking for a serious partner, opportunity has come for you. This one self is sweet. You are looking for a serious partner, you will be earning when you are looking for them. So this is it. You see it. Then let me just leave here. You see create. Now you want to do your whole video, you want to post your whole video, you can see, you can private it. They say visible only after locking. You can private it so only you will be seeing it. Whosoever that want to see will pay to see it. You see message, this is where you see all the people that is chatting you. This is where you be seeing it. If they send you message, you will see it here. Then you see profile. You see my profile, I'm already on level 3. That's how easy it is. I started yesterday. You see this, let me tell you the difference here. You see coin, we are not here for the coin. This coin is when you do this normal daily check-in, they will give you coin. That's how you get coin. And when you watch video, there's one thing here. You see ad is not here. There's one when you have ad, I think it's my network, that's why the thing is not working. If you click on this ad, it will pop up. When it pop up to show you ad, then to credit you coin after popping up. Then this other part, this is your coin balance. If you want to recharge, maybe you want to buy coin, like let me click on I want to buy coin. They are processing my purchase. They will tell me to pay for it. But this is not the reason why we are here. We are not here to buy coin. You see it. They will say you should pay. We are not here to buy coin. So let's go back. Then you see this place, gift, daily check-in. See it. You can see now. I'm not lying. I said I started yesterday. This is my day 2. You see everything. Then you switch it back. Let's leave here. That's everything you need to know about coin. When you want to add to your coin, you can buy and to add there to be showing here. Then token is the main money. The token is the main money. Then see it. You see my token. I only have 1,001 token. How much is it? Is $11. And mind you, you need 3,000 token to withdraw, and 3,000 token is $30. It's just a not sweet, it is $30. Now see, there are different methods to withdraw from here. You will not tell me, ma, I don't have paper, ma, this one happen, this one happen. You have paper here, you have bank transfer, you have OPay, sorry, GPay, you have USDT, you have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, you have Binance Coin. So which one? How will you not tell me that you are not earning from this app? How will you not tell me that, oh, I cannot do this update because I don't have the requirement? You have everything. As far as you have a smartphone, you have a data connection, you have everything. And secondly, you don't need VPN here. There's no VPN. Register with the country you are from. Don't say, it's easy only in Nigeria. This one is for everybody. It's for everybody. You see everything here. Then this token, I've told you how you earn token. When anybody is chatting you, always you start say, please, can we talk on video call? Because it's the video call you will make money from. Always push them to call. Please, can we talk on video call? When they call you on video call, you start making money. Then let's go to setting. You see analysis. And mind you, when you come, please, before you do anything on this app, make sure you do your verification. You see it, my own is pending. Make sure you do it before you start doing anything. Then you see your analysis, you click on it. This one will show you all the earnings you have been making. That's the meaning of analysis. You see it, you see it, all this thing I've been making. This is it. Then this is level. Me and now I'm in level 3. You see the level, bright star. This is it. They say I've completed this one, I've completed. They now took me to this place. So that's it about the level part. Okay, let me swipe it and enter again. Then you see the video request. You see it. I have not done any video in this app. You will say, how did this woman earn from this app? I will tell you. Then you can connect your social media accounts to it, and you can post. Make sure you are posting. No, you can post something funny. It does not mean that it must be your picture. No, you can just post random this thing that will motivate people to start chatting you. That's just it. And you see people are following you, they will just be following you. They will see your profile and they like it, they'll follow you. So you chat with them, you engage them in a conversation so that you too will be earning. But mind you, they are not paying you for your chatting. The only thing they are paying you for is your video call and your private lock. That's what they are paying you for. Then you go to settings. You see your account, your bio link builder. You want to build it, you do it. Your store. Invite friends. If you have friends that you want to invite, this is another way of earning. Each friend you invite, you will get 100 tokens. How many tokens do we need? We need 3,000 tokens to get $30. Okay. You will get 50 tokens when your friends sign up. If your friends use your link, you will get 50 tokens. You will earn another 50 tokens when they complete level 3. So until your friend complete level 3 before they will give you the other token. Together now you now have 100 token. So is it not sweet? It is sweet. So you click on receipt. When you want to do your video request setting, you can set it. If it's 50, you want to put like how much they will be paying you when you are calling, you will put it there. Then that's just it about here. Maybe you see any app that you see that does not have help and support, know that that app is not legit. You can see this app here now, it has help and support. So if you have any problem or you don't understand it, you can come here and ask them, what can I do? This is what is wrong with my account, and they will do it for you. You see this place system, you can put it to this color, or you can switch it to white, you can switch it to dark. Do it any way you want to do it. Then you see if you block user, you want to block anybody, you can block them. They will show there about, you can read about the app there. Then that is just it. See your notification box. You see the people that are following me now. You see it. I can come here now and write. Just message. Don't do any other thing. Hi. Nice to meet you. Your own might be good than my own. Oh, hey. Just do anything you like. Play around the app. Hi. How you doing? See, that's just, you don't need any big thing. Then when they start chatting you now, you say, oh please, can we talk to each other on the call? And you push them to call you. Be the one pushing them to call you. Hello. You see, finish. I don't need any big thing to do now. This where your you see, they have sent me. You see, he has replied, I am fine, and you. That's just it. This is another side also. You are a student, or you are a stay-at-home mom, or you are a business person. This is another side also for you. You can do it at your free space, at your free time. You can do it. So don't forget to comment, oh, don't forget to like, and please share this video so that anybody that needs it can see it. Share the video to your friends, your loved ones. Please always comment on my video. I love you.